Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, southern Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, eastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 11 p.m. At 10:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive hurricane-force winds in excess of 80 miles an hour. This storm was located near Lake Geneva and moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Browns Lake, Eagle Lake, Rochester, and Waterford North around 10:40 p.m., Union Grove and Wind Lake around 10:45 p.m., Franklin around 10:50 p.m., Oak Creek and Racine Baton Airport around 10:55 p.m., South Milwaukee, Wind Point, Cudahy and Milwaukee International Airport around 11 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Waterford, Kansasville, North Cape, Franksville, and Caledonia. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.